Hello my dear friends, we are discussing about the femur bone, right? So in the previous videos we have discussed about the upper end of the femur in detail. Now as you know that we have started to discuss about the shaft of the femur, right friends? So you know that as I told you in the lecture right now in the theory section, we said that the shaft of the femur is actually divided into how many parts? It is divided into three parts: the upper 1/3, the middle 1/3, and the lower 1/3. So different features are present in different regions of it. First of all, let us discuss about the upper 1/3 of this shaft of the femur bone. Now I will use different colors to show you all these important things. The upper 1/3 of the femur of the shaft of the femur has four surfaces and four borders. So what are those? Let me show you these borders with this black color. This is the medial side. So there is a medial border, right? This is the medial border, you can see. Then this is the lateral side. So here is a lateral border present, right? There is the lateral border, right friends? Okay. Then we have, there is the spiral line is there, right? There is the presence of the spiral line, right? This is the lateral border and that is the spiral line. And then here we have a very important point that is called the gluteal tuberosity, right? And this is the lateral lip of the gluteal tuberosity, right my dear friends? So how many borders it forms? It forms about four borders. Let us see also in this bone clearly, right? So how many borders are there? There is the medial border, right? And then there is the lateral border. There is the spiral line, right? And this is the lateral lip of the gluteal tuberosity, and this is the gluteal tuberosity, right friends? So how many borders it has? It has four borders: the medial border, lateral border, spiral line, and the lateral lip of the gluteal tuberosity, right? And it has four surfaces. And what are those surfaces? Let us color this with this green color. There is the anterior surface, right? So this is all over your anterior surface, right friends? Then there is a medial surface, right? Towards the medial side, there's medial surface. Then here is the lateral surface, right? So this is your lateral surface, and with which I have shown with the red color, this is your posterior surface, right? So this posterior surface has gluteal tuberosity in it, as I have told you in the video, right? So how many surfaces? There is the anterior surface, the medial surface, the lateral surface, and the posterior surface. And how many borders? There are four borders: the medial border, the lateral border, the spiral line, and the lateral lip of the gluteal tuberosity, right friends? These are the features of the upper 1/3 of the femur bone. Now let us move towards the lower 1/3 and the middle 1/3.